So I'm going to show you how to switch between gestures and button navigation on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to system, tap on that. And then under system, you will see the option navigation mode. So if you tap on that, you can see we're currently on gesture navigation, and that's why we're using gestures. If you want buttons, you can select the 3-button navigation option, and that's going to add three buttons for navigation at the bottom of your phone. Okay, so these buttons right here. Also, if you want to switch from buttons, you just swipe up, go back to that setting. So that's going to be system, and then tap on gesture navigation, and you're back to gestures. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.